Okay, Doctor of Motors. How was the car balance?
No adjustments needed. Carburation at idle was balanced, and all 4 slides open at the same time. So no adjustment needed. If we had to adjust it, we would have to take the caps of the CR special carbs off and adjust the arm to the round slide until, when opening the throttle, all 4 vacuum readings are reading the same, balanced. But we did this a couple of years ago. It's still within a nice straight line. She still smokes a little bit, but that's something we got to address next winter, as we've been saying for 3 years now. And well, we'll see you this weekend at the track.